Rich here from Tailored Tutors, answering some comments on the Ultimate Guide to A-Level Biology. Tia has asked the question, does facilitated diffusion involve both carrier proteins and channel proteins? Please can you give the definition? Okay, so Tia, yes, you're completely right. Facilitated diffusion is going to be involving one of these proteins. Facilitated diffusion is going to be passive, from high concentration to low concentration via a specific protein. And we've got two types of those proteins. We've got the carrier proteins. Think of an aircraft carrier. It's a massive ship. You land planes on it. It has a runway, so it's very big. So carrier proteins are involved in transporting large molecules like glucose. They've got multiple atoms all joined together into a compound. And these are taking large molecules from one side of the membrane to another side of the membrane from high to low concentration. Carrier proteins, large molecules. The other option then is channels or protein channels. Now a channel is like a long thin tube basically, and therefore it's going to be taking small molecules, small charged or polar molecules, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. These are all basically single atoms, or in this case they've got a charge, so we call them an ion. So if it's a small charged particle, it goes through a channel. If it's a large molecule, it goes through the carrier protein. So the things they're going to want you to know in terms of the definition: high to low concentration, it's passive and via one of the two different types of protein. They are where all the questions on facilitated diffusion are. They might twist the question and ask you a bit more about the protein and why it's specific, but that's actually a protein structure question. The tertiary structure is complementary to that of the molecule that's going to transport, and therefore only the one type of molecule will fit through it. Don't get drawn into talking about active sites and things like that. They are enzymes only, but all proteins have a specific tertiary structure which relate to their function. I hope that helps. If you're looking for more help and comments on A-Level Biology, check out the Tailored Tutors Ultimate Guide to A-Level Biology. You can test it for free, try it out, do a few lessons and see how you like it. If you're asking questions on the course, then you must be an Ultimate Guide user. So thanks for being part of the team and asking those questions and giving us loads of stuff that we can help you with. Keep going, good luck, and yeah, keep your questions coming in.